Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So I am inside this room only by myself, so I can talk a little bit in a bit louder voice. So I have a meeting. I need to get online, and I am out of my home. Usually I do this at home, but this time I do not have a chance, do not have any choice. So I came to this library. This is San Jose Martin Luther King Library. San Jose is such a beautiful city. I am so happy. This is so inspiring, and this is a city library and university library combined. So it's one of the biggest library. As I heard, some of the biggest library in California or anyway, it's a very, very huge library, and I am on the 8th floor of it. And I not rented because I didn't pay any money. I booked one study room, and this study room can have 10 people here. And it's so good. I just done my thing and feel so good. It's good to have a library that you can rely on to search something to relax. And before I came to this library, it was a different feeling, different atmosphere. But today, school just started, and it's a university and a city library combined. So a lot of young students, there is such a good energy in this place, and people are learning, people are discussing, and this is the 8th floor, the top floor, and it looks so pretty. Look at it. That is Bank of Italy or Bank of America, the very origin of Bank of America. See, these are university, maybe dormitory or apartment. Used to be nothing. This is the redevelopment. They suddenly made so many buildings, and that is San Jose State University. And I heard they had a very good a gym, swimming pool, and just so good. And in the streets, a lot of young people, students in their prime age, 20-something, feel so good. I think any city want to develop or need to have a university, have a school, have a college, right? It really brings up so much good energy in this place. Look at the setting sun. I need to go because my parking is coming to an end. Okay, bye friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye. Let's see my outfit of the day. So comfortable. So comfortable.